Kyle from BMXGs, and this is my bike check. Alright, start from back to front. This is the DK Park peg. It's pretty light. I got the Shadow Seriously Stun cassette wheel, which is the rim, nipple, spoke, and hub. It's about $200. I got the Odyssey Aaron Ross tire. I like to call it the Odyssey. And I got the Mechanix half track chain. It's a pretty good chain so far, I guess. I got the Haro Recycle PC pedals. I got some stock Eastern cranks. I got the Fit low bolt pivotal seat in Kevlar. It's a pretty nice seat. And I got the stolen class ring sprocket in blue. It's pretty good. I got stock Eastern shovelhead frame, but I'm probably gonna get a new frame. Got front Eastern, I'm at DK Park peg. Shadow Conspiracy Stun front wheel, which is same as the back, but it's $50 cheaper. Got the Sputnic integrated headset. Stock stem. Oh yeah, I got the Fit FAF front tire. Anyways, I got subrosa Pandora bars. Got some ODI long necks and some fly bar ends. So yeah, that's my bike check, and this is my hub sound.